Hi, I'm Yaya. I will be attending this page today.
Hi, my name is Mohammed. I will attend teach speech today.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I want to talk about a major step for our company, one that will make us more efficient, more secure, more competitive in today's fast-moving business landscape. That step is adopting Amazon Web Services or AWS as our primary platform. We already know that our current infrastructure is expensive and it's limited and difficult to scale. As a large enterprise, the demands on our systems are only going to increase. And my goal today is to show you why moving to Amazon Web Services or AWS is just not a technology change. It's a smart business decision that position us for long-term growth. Adopting AWS will help us operate more efficiently, improve security, reduce unnecessary costs, and give us flexibility we need to stay competitive. AWS give us flexibility and the speed that we need. Right now, our company depends on physical servers that can only handle a fixed amount of work. When traffic increases unexpectedly, our system slows down or crash. When traffic is low, we continue paying for the hardware that sits unused. AWS removes these limitations. According to Amazon officials, AWS Cloud Overview, their system automatically adjusts computing powers up and down based on real-time demands. That means our applications always have resources they need. No more outages, no more bottlenecks, no more overpaying for capacity that we don't use. For a company our size, this is of responsive technology is essential. It keeps our customers happy and ensures our operations run smoothly. AWS terms our security on every level. Cybersecurity threats are growing every year. Protecting our company data is one of our highest priorities. AWS offers a level of security that is extremely difficult to match with our in-house data center. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency report that cloud platforms like AWS provide stronger building protection than traditional systems, including encryptions, identity controls, ongoing monitoring. In addition, AWS compiles compile with major security standards such as CO2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and dozen more. They invest massive resources into cybersecurity so that companies like ours can operate with confidence. Adopting AWS doesn't weaken our security. It significantly enhances it and increases it. AWS can help us cut cost and avoid waste. Our current infrastructure costs are a lot to maintain. Hardware, electricity, upgrades, cooling, staff support, all adds up. These costs don't go away even when our systems are barely being used. AWS solved this with this pay-as-you-go pricing model. A 2023 Gartner report found that companies that move to AWS cut their infrastructure spending by roughly 30% in the first year. For a large enterprise, that's a major opportunity to save some money. Instead of paying for what we may need, AWS let us pay only for what we use. It also reduced the workload on our IT teams, freeing them up from tasks that directly support the company growth. AWS help us innovate faster and stay ahead. Innovation is one of our biggest Advantage of the cloud. AWS provides over 200 advanced tools for artificial intelligence, to analytics, to serverless computing. These tools allows companies to build applications, automate tasks, launch new features much faster. According to TechCrunch, organizations using AWS machine learning or AI services accelerate their development timeline by more than 40%, which is significant. This gives us a major advantage, faster development, mean quicker problem solving, and mean creative solutions and better services for our customers. Addressing the concern, is the migration too difficult? Because I see like a lot of people they ask this question. It's normal to worry about like the process of how like moving to the cloud, and migration. It takes planning, time, and resources. But AWS provide everything from automated migration tools to detailed assessments to hands-on support specifically designed for large corporations. The temporary challenges of migrating is small compared to the long-term benefits that we may gain. In summary, I feel like Amazon AWS give us flexibility through automatic scanning, improve security, with industry leading protections, reduce costs by eliminating waste, and it help us innovate faster and keep us competitive. For a company of our size, AWS is just not a good option. It's the best strategic choice for our future. Adopting AWS will make us stronger, more efficient, and better prepared for everything ahead. Thank you, and I look forward to any questions that any of you guys may have. Thank you so much.